This is how to assemble your InfraHeal infrared portable sauna. So it's super easy to put together. Everything's labelled A, B, C. So I'm going to start by putting the frame together. So you can see that there's B, then there's C, and then there's A to make things really easy. There's also these really easy to put together corner pieces as well. I'm going to take 2 B pieces and 2 C pieces. The corners go together really easy, just push together. Okay, corner 1 already done. Everything slots together super easy. So the C goes in, and let's go for the 4th corner. And then I'm going to take some A pieces, and these build the uprights for my tent. Look how quickly this is going together. So for the next level, I'm going to need these corner pieces. These are number 5. This is going to give me my next layer. And then all I need is 1 more of my Bs, and this will build the back of the tent. And these are going to be the sides. And then the C goes into the 5 corner piece and into this straight edge there. All right, and then the top half is built with 4 A pieces going into the uprights. And then I should have 4 remaining corner pieces, attachments. So 1 of these on each corner. So now I've got the tent itself. So the first step is to find the bottom and make sure that the front of the tent is going to obviously face the front of the frame. So there's 1 single zip for the entire tent that starts in the back corner, runs all the way around the top edge, straight down the front, and then all the way around the bottom of the base. There's my base. So this is what's going to slide underneath my framework. There we go, and then I can start zipping up the back. So now it's time to attach the heating plates. There's 3 of these, one that goes on the right, one goes on the left, and one that goes on the back. This is the one that goes first on this side because it's got the connection to the power port here, and it's got 1 of the connectors here, and they're super easy to attach because it's all Velcro. So it's got 3 Velcro attachments that attach right on the C pole from earlier. How easy is that? Then I know this one is the middle plate because it's got 2 connectors either side. So again, simple Velcro attachments. And then this is my final heating plate. So now I connect the heat plates. Okay, so they've got the little prongs there that fit together, and then this piece turns around as well. So push together and then screw down. And then in the other corner, I've got my connectors here, making sure that they push together nice and tight, and then the cap that screws over the top. So time to sort out the wiring. So this is the controller, and it's backed by Velcro, so it's just going to stick here. And then the power socket will just go out the window. And the control panel just sticks with Velcro. But we have 3 pieces for the wiring. So this little prong will either go in the high temperature or the low temperature. So you can choose your setting. This is your connector to your panels. And this is where I'm going to attach my foot pad. So this also comes with a foot pad that I can put on the floor. And just like the others, it connects straight in. So this is the red light plate. It's going to be attached to the ceiling on here. There's a neat little hook to keep the wire out of the way. And then this will go out one more exit point. So there's the power source for the red light on the ceiling, ready to plug in. And even a folding chair as well. And then super simple, plugging into mains power, one for the heating and one for the infrared. So then the infrared light just gets turned on with the outside switch. So all we need to do is turn on the controller. It automatically sets for 60 minutes, but you can change that time. You can bring that back down to whatever time you like. The temperature I can change to 9 different settings. But the temperature I can also change from low to high. There's also a control for the feet. So this is for the foot pad that I can change from either low or high as well. So there's even a little window if you need a breather. But right now it's sauna time.